Hello, my dear friends. This is your school counselor Paramjeet, and today I have come with a short story which says not everything deserves your time and attention. So today we'll talk about a dirty pig and a clean elephant. So once an elephant took a bath in a pond and started walking back into the jungle, and on his way back he saw a pig fully soaked in mud. The elephant had just cleaned himself, so he got on the side to let the pig pass. The pig later boasted to his friends, "See, my dear friends, how powerful I am. Today I scared an elephant and he moved to one side to let me go first." And the friends, they were very surprised. And again, the friends of the elephant also heard this news, and they have come to elephant and asked the elephant if he was truly scared of the pig. The elephant smiled and said, "Oh no, my dear friends. I could have easily crushed the pig under my big feet, but I would have made myself dirty. I don't want that. I wanted to avoid it, so I let him pass." So the pig says that I don't want negativity around me. So it is this story reveals that realized souls will avoid contact with negativity, not out of fear, but out of desire to keep away from impurity, though they are strong enough to destroy the impurity. You need not to react to every opinion, every comment, or every situation. Just keep yourself going. So you have to learn, you have to choose your battles wisely, because if you fight all your battles, you will be too tired to win the important ones. So be selective with your battles, and sometimes peace is better than being right. So today we'll talk about that why you should avoid negative people. We should avoid negative people because they affect our attitude and thinking. Negative people will discourage you and will try to drag you down with them to the dark sides. If you hang around with them so frequently and listen to them long enough, they start impacting your thinking, and you soon realize that instead of thinking positively, you'll think negative. So negative people, they will always never provide you encouragement. They always discourage you and give you negative feedback, and they love drama. Negative people need drama like oxygen. Stay positive, it will take your breath away and keep on doing dramas. So these are the signs that I'm going to talk to you, and I'm going to share with you that how to recognize negative people in your life. So negative people, they always worry. They always anticipate about things going wrong even when things are going right for them. They are pessimists, can never see the brighter side of the life. Even on small matters, they think of the worst only. They keep on complaining. They complain a lot, thereby bringing in a lot of unpleasantness. They are the energy suckers. They drain all your positive energy. They leave you emotionally and physically drained out. At times, they become very selfish and self centered, and they think they are never wrong. People with negative personalities cannot admit that they are wrong, they have done something wrong. They can't say nice thing about other people. They avoid things and the truth. They don't like to answer or questions or offer help in any way, and they become rude to the people. So now we'll talk about the ways to deal with negative people. Detach yourself. Remember that the way people act has nothing to do with you. Detach yourself from their frustrations and don't internalize them as your fault. Avoid blame. Don't blame, assume, or attack them. Telling people they should stop being so negative usually doesn't go well. Show the person compassion and empathy you want them to show you. Just avoid them. Don't get indulged in their matters. Respond calmly. to the negative people. Respond the way you would want them to talk to you. Avoid getting passive aggressive because that doesn't help anybody. Be firm with your boundaries. When someone does something that crosses a line, make it known. You have to stick up with your beliefs, your time, and your energy because otherwise, people will take advantage of these things. Find the positive. Identify what gives you positive energy. Can be books, can be TV, can be some exercises, self care. Seek these things, especially when you feel like others are draining your energy. Give yourself a break. Setting boundaries is how you give yourself a break from an encroaching negative person. You need space where you can clear your head after dealing with someone who is draining your energy. Keep a negative person at arm's length to avoid being overwhelmed by their toxicity. So avoid negative people, for they are the greatest destroyers of your self confidence and self esteem. In the end, I would like to say stay positive and surround yourself with the people who bring out the best in you. Have a nice day. Thank you.